about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Ooh, it's the month of April. This is my month because I was born in April. 4月我很喜欢，要到处出去玩。为什么呢？因为呢，4月有我的生日。
真的？
还有春天也来了啦。所以我们这个月呢，都要教大家去哪里玩。Okay. The theme for this whole month is where are you going to go to play, literally, but it just means where do you want to go for a vacation or for some time off. 你要去哪里玩？
我去哪了？
我去哪了？我去 that means where do you want to go 了去玩 All right 我们现在就来放假一下然后其实台湾有很多很棒的地方可以去比如说东部的花莲啊这个时候又有桐花季对不对
对到处都有
Let's take you to 花莲 for the tongue flower blossom Okay first of all 放假了你要去哪里玩 Now that you have a vacation where do you want to go
不用了嘞我去哪了
不用了嘞我去哪了不用了放假 Okay, that means a vacation. And then our theme, where do you want to go? Let's go to Hualien to visit the tongue flower blossom. 我想去花莲赏桐花。
我想去花莲看桐花。
我想去花莲看桐花。桐花就桐花嘛。
对。
That's the tongue flower blossom. 花莲，你刚刚怎么讲？
花莲。
花莲 Okay, that's 花莲。
海陆腔花莲。
花莲 Okay, different dialect for the county of 花莲 Beautiful over there. 你应该要这样子回我啊。好主意，我也想去啊，要不然我怎么好意思问呢？
真的吗？
And so maybe the answer is yes, that's a good idea. I want to go too. Let's teach you how to say that.
同好嘅想法。
同好嘅想法。
我没想爱去。
我没想爱去。
我也想去。
我听得出来了。好啦，你既然问了，我就真的带你去，好不好？
真的哦，不可以骗人。
All right, let's review some of these vocabulary. 放假。
不用了。
不用了 That's a vacation. To 花莲。
花莲。
花莲 And to go watch the tongue flower 桐花。
桐花。
桐花 And it's all about where do you want to go and have some fun. 你要去哪里玩？
我去哪了？
我去哪了 Okay, that means again, where do you want to go play? Where do you want to go have fun? To take a vacation? And we highly recommend 花莲。桐花我常常看，但是还没有去这个花莲赏桐花。
一定哦。
其实 Alice， 我需要你带我去，不是我带你去。
你出钱，我带你去。
Okay, so Alice will take me for sure. And that does for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太嘎。
汉字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.